All right, well, welcome back to the channel. So this video is probably coming out after Christmas, so I hope everybody had a good Christmas, got everything they wanted. I'm actually filming this before Christmas, so I still don't have the lower part of the motor back yet. I was actually supposed to call the shop a couple days ago. I forgot about it, so it's now the weekend, so I'll have to wait till Monday to talk to them. I was going to do the installation of the neck cups today, but I haven't gotten the new ones in that they shipped to me the other day. So I'm going to have them in tomorrow. But so what I'm going to do today, I'm going to work on one of the lower forks. We're going to take that apart. I'm going to buff the aluminum part of it, try to get that shiny and buffed, and then we're going to replace some of the seals. And I'm only going to do one. There's no point in me showing to do both on the video because they're pretty much the same on both sides. So let's move over to my other bench, and I'm going to show you, and I'll show you that. We'll take it apart. But first, let's take a look at the service manual. So if we look up here, there's not a whole lot to these forks. We got the cans up at the top. Now, some of the earlier models had rubber boots that fit over the top of the lower fork instead of those cans. And we got the spring. We got some dampers and everything like that we're going to replace. And we're going to replace all the seals. Hopefully I don't have to replace the bushings, but we'll take a look at them when we take everything apart. So, all right, so let's grab one of the forks and we'll go over to the other bench. Not as much as I thought, but all right, so it looks like somebody made some kind of improvised spacer, because I know that's not a Harley part, but it has these dampers in it that you have to put in here like that. So let me tip this up. Let me get my so remember, you got the compressed part of the spring goes in the bottom. So doesn't seem to be anything in there, so yeah, I couldn't get this other side out. Let me get a rag here. And they look pretty well worn. Wonder if I can get another set of those. And this is definitely something that's not Harley, not when it says PVC part, so somebody manufactured this. And then we get this washer goes on top of it. Goes like that, and fits against the spring. So let's keep going with this. Let me wrap something around this. So I'm pretty sure this kit that I've got has a new retaining ring in it. And then we've got this kind of washer here. So there's a foam, kind of like a foam gasket. Okay, so in order to get the rest of this out, we got to take this bolt out right here. There we go. All right, so here's the rest of the tube. There's a clip in there. All right, so some of these parts I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to replace because they look fairly worn. All right, so let me get I got to get one of my clips so we can take this clip off here. Okay, so these are 90 degree. Let me see if this is going to fit. Yep, it fits. So this assembly comes out. We got like a spacer here. Then some more parts here that come out. All right, so then this one, that comes out. And then we have a clear tube. All right, let me wipe this off. I don't know if you can see it, but there's all kinds of gunk in the bottom of that. Okay, so this is the kit. James gasket, part number, what is this, 681-4769, gasket seal front fork. So there's the seal right here, which is this piece right here that we got to get out. There's the bushing. I don't think we'll need to take the bushing out. I didn't really feel any slop in that tube, but we are going to flush this out. Let me get a light and I'll show you the inside of it. All right, I don't know if you can see the inside of it, but it's got some kind of gunk on the inside, and I'm pretty sure it's from this piece here, because that's got a gasket on it too, and we got the gasket in this kit, so we're going to put that back on so I don't lose it. But there is no felt gasket, I don't think, in there. Oh yeah, there's a felt gasket. Okay, it's in there. So we've got to get this gasket out. There we go. Okay, so that came out pretty good. There's the gasket there, or the seal, I should say, not a gasket. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this in the parts washer, clean it off, and then we're going to start buffing this with the buffer to see if we can get a good shine on this and see where we go from there. Okay, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.